Yo, what up YouTube? This is Altered Tech back again with another video, and I do have the LG G6 sitting right in front of me. Now this is brand new and this is the white special limited edition. So I did get this from the Boost mobile store. Now this deal was the $49.99 deal when you port in your number, and you do have to sign up for a $50 plan at minimum, and you do have to pay an activation fee. So I got this for just 125 bucks, which is a crazy deal. Now, huge shout out to Mill Hustles for actually posting this deal on YouTube. This dude actually posts crazy deals and I'm always following him. Be sure to hit that bell notification icon so you're always up to date with the latest deals. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Now, aside from all that, let's open this up. Now, before I got this phone, he did have to open up the box and he did have to, activate it and make sure that it's working and that it's on and that you can make phone calls. Now, here we go. Now, just take this off. So right now we have the white LG G6, which is gorgeous. Looks like a rose gold color, but silver. I don't know if you guys can actually see that. It reminds me of something. I just can't think of it right now. A rose gold iPhone? I'm not sure. We have that 18:9 screen. The power button is actually on the back. So I remember I had the black version and silver version at one time, but I actually sold them off. We got the dual cameras, the wide angle cameras. That wide angle camera is perhaps one of my most favorite cameras ever on a smartphone. So I know the LG G7, the wide angle camera lenses isn't as wide as the LG G6. And this phone actually comes with I believe it's a 2-year promise. So you get 2 years of a manufacturer support or manufacturer warranty. So that's very, very important to me. Just put this aside. So what else do we get? So open this up. Got my little unboxing gloves on. So okay, so that's that. So here, I wonder if you have any headphones. I don't recall getting headphones the last time. So I guess we got the instructions and the SIM card inside here. And over here we have the travel adapter, LG travel adapter, and a USB Type-C cable. Okay, so this phone, to me, it's one of the most underrated phones I've ever used, ever. I do prefer the black color. Maybe some of you guys do like it, but I think, maybe if you have like a girlfriend and maybe her phone is like busted up and she needs a new phone, for $49 to switch to Boost Mobile, and you get 8 gigabytes of mobile hotspot, unlimited 4G data for just 50 bucks, this is a great deal. What do you guys think? To me, I think it looks gorgeous. I could definitely see this being a good Valentine's Day gift or Christmas gift. So, some of you guys, Christmas is coming up. I would definitely recommend you guys, giving this a look. This is the LG G6. Let's see if it powers on. Yes, it's already powered on. So I'm already getting spam calls. I'm not sure why. Doesn't make any sense. So we do have some bloatware installed. Amazon Music. I don't really use that. We have... Oh, another great thing about this phone is the HD audio recorder. Now this phone has a great audio system. And for voice recordings, I used to use this before I actually got my professional mic. So that's that. And we do have the Kindle. We have a bunch of Amazon apps pre-installed. We do have Instagram, Facebook Messenger. We do have some heavy social media apps installed already. Uber, Tidal. I'm probably gonna have to, pretty much delete or deactivate most of these apps because I do want to get that, stock Android experience. And I don't like to have too much bloatware on my phone. Now, this number looks to be spam. It's one of those many spam calls I've been receiving lately. So, let's see. Let's check out what version is this running actually? About phone, software info. Okay, so we do have Android 8.0.0, and let's see. So we have the August 1st, 2018 security patch level. Now, the thing about LG is I've been hearing that they have been improving their software updates. So I'm not exactly sure if that's true or not. Let's see, update center. So these are app updates. I'm not sure where do you go for firmware or hardware updates. So this phone, the camera, now I did take a picture outside and it was super clean. Now I will actually, if you guys want, I will give a full review and I'll give a full camera review, because I do love this phone. And I kind of regret ever selling my black LG G6. The black was just simply gorgeous. Yeah, so like I said, for the ladies, I don't know, man, if you get this for your girlfriend or your wife, I don't know how could she just be upset, unless if she's like a hardcore Apple fan or something. But this phone is simply gorgeous. It's very durable. It's I believe it's IP water certified. There's so many great things about this phone. For $75 you get this, and for $50 you get the unlimited data plan, 4G LTE, and 8 gigabytes of mobile hotspots. Now I do know that Boost Mobile also has that 4 lines for $120, and you get full HD streaming, and you get 30 gigabytes of mobile hotspot, and that deal is simply crazy. So I might actually get that plan. That's it for this unboxing. You don't really get any headphones or anything, but you do get the 2-year warranty. And how many manufacturers out there are willing to give you 2 years of added manufacturing warranty? So that's the unboxing and slight first impressions. The signal, let's see, so we have full signal, and this is something I don't really see with Cricket. With Cricket, I usually have about half the bars, so I'll be doing some further testing. So I'm very excited about this phone. And again, this is the white LG G6. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you want to see anything extra on the review. This is Altered Tech signing out. I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Peace.